407. Just got called to do a service call. They don't have no power to a few rooms in the house. I told them check the breaker. They said they checked already. Wasn't it. Maybe they didn't know what they're looking for, but I'm about to go check and see how fast I can get this done and see how much money I can make. Starting now. Alright, so let's see. Alright. Alright. Garage and this bathroom all on this side, but this works over here. These are on. Let's take a look. Let's just try to turn off and turn on something. Furnace, kitchen, plugs, disposal, oven, dishwasher, dryer, washer. I don't know what that red one's for. The red one's a 20 amp. Let's find out. Let's see. I wonder if we have a blown. I wonder if it could be this right here. We do that one. Kitchen should be fine. Well, let's check the kitchen. These are plugs. Look at this. This is the one that's tripped right here. Go. $417. Tripped breaker. Light is on. What was that, 10 minutes? Just give me my money. I asked her too. She said, oh yeah, we checked the breakers. And you know what, to be honest, I didn't see. They all look good. I even felt it, right? And it could have been possibly that two breakers were like that popped. And that's why you couldn't really see them. If I go down this road, I think I'll make it to where I have to go. Yeah, I'm gonna go down this road. Oh! I think that's why I didn't see it. But yeah, 115. This is from my property management. I tell them like, hey, my service trip is 115. So before you call me, make sure you talk to the tenants. Hey, did you check this? Did you check that? And I think for this, you should probably charge the tenant. Be like, hey, I thought you said you checked this. You know, our handyman came and he was there for 10 minutes. I have to pay him $115. I'm not complaining. I'm just trying to help the management out. But yeah. So I'm about to go to this other job. The house I've been working on. I just got a deep clean and replace a light bulb and pressure wash this garage floor because it has like a smell. I think there was like some leftover milk spoiled milk on the floor that seeped in. So I'm gonna spray it with some Simple Green and some other degreaser and pressure wash it. But yeah, easy money, guys.